See that? That just flew over me. What is that? Looked like a rocket. It's leaving a big long trail. Look at this. Sorry, I'm gonna swing around here. Look at that. Big long trail, like it's a rocket. Where's that thing coming from? Sorry. Man, that's crazy. Look at it. Good footage. I'm not on a great camera, but look at this thing. Hold on, I'm gonna come over here. Look at this. It's like lit up like the sky, like the sun over there. Look how bright that is. And we're at dusk right now. Wow. Pretty crazy. It's so low. How could that be? How could that be from Edwards or anywhere? What is that? Crazy. Maybe I caught some great stuff there. I'm sure other people are going to catch this. All right. Cheers.